Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I had a baby, so that's why I haven't been like really uploading videos and stuff. And it's kind of hard to film a video with a baby because they cry, they need your attention, so I've been putting it off. But she's been doing good. She's sitting quietly. She's not crying, she's just watching me. So I think we can film this video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I refresh my hair for a puff. I'm just gonna put it in a puff, but I'm gonna show y'all how I refresh it. So first, I use, this is like real old. It's like, I say 3-4 days old, but I used this for it when I first initially did it, and I used a leave-in. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of this, not a lot, because I don't want a lot of product in my hair. I'm gonna do a leave-in and water. First, I spray my hair with water. I know it seems like a lot, but it's not. My hair is weird. I have to spray a lot of water for it to absorb. I don't know if I should do a voiceover or just keep it how it is, because I don't want you guys to get bored. Ow. Oh, arm. Okay. Like the parts where I'm just in silence. Maybe I'll add music. I don't know yet. More water. Make sure I don't spray my daughter. Okay, just a little bit more. I'm good. As you can see, it got a little bit frizzy because I haven't been wearing my bonnet or sleeping on my silk satin, whatever, pillowcase. So yeah. I'm actually surprised she's letting me film this video for this long. She's so cute. Okay. And then after the water, I spray the leave-in. I'm using Almond Marshmallow Therapy Leave-In Conditioner by Eden Body Works. I don't know if you can see that. I like this leave-in, but my all-time favorite leave-in that I love is the one by Jane Carter Solution. It's also a spray. It's the Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. I love it. This one is okay. I just needed to leave it, honestly. I mean, it smells okay, but it can be an overbearing smell. And for the gel, I'm just gonna apply it to, I'm not gonna go like section by section, piece by piece, how some people do. I'm just gonna, any major area that I see is like real frizzy or needs some definition, I'm just gonna put some gel on it. So do y'all do y'all leave-in before the gel, or do you do your gel first and then your leave-in? I don't know why I do my leave-in first. I feel like it protects my hair. I'm almost done, mommy. Okay, so this is the fro. I'm gonna put it in a puff. Cause I can do that now. Cause I got hair now. I'm not bald headed no more. Okay, so after that's all said and done, you can see I'm shedding. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm shedding. I missed that about pregnancy. My hair didn't shed at all. Hopefully it doesn't shed too much to where I lose my edges, because they're already fragile. So I don't want, you know, I don't want to be out here looking trifling and bald headed and have a toothbrush for my edges. Okay, so now here comes the fun part, I guess. I'm not gonna use a lot of product because, you know, I already have product in my hair. And honestly, I don't even know when the next time I'm gonna be able to wash my hair is. Which might be soon, because she's doing good, you know? She's doing good. I fed her, her diapers changed. I played with her a little bit. Now she's just sucking on her pacifier. Okay, so I'll do the front part, because that's the part people look at, right? Look like an actual. Okay, I got enough hair now, y'all. It's lit. It's lit. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay. And I don't know if y'all use something special to do your puffs. I just use a headband. I know people use shoestrings, or they use those things. They kind of look like a bungee cord material, but anybody got time for that? I just use a headband, wrap it around twice till I'm choking myself. Not really choking myself, but then I just pull it up. Get your bangs out of the way, unless you want bangs. Then I just push it up. And of course, I go through a lot of headbands because they stretch out, so they lose their elasticity. And then for the final touch, I do my edges. I shouldn't really touch them because I don't want them to fall out. They're so fragile, like so fragile. And I honestly really don't have to really do anything to them. I don't even know why. I don't know. I'm trying to keep up with everybody else. Not really, I'm just playing. Oops. I'm all in the mirror. I don't think I was in the camera for that. But I don't do anything too special. I mean, that's about it. Sometimes I pull out little hairs from like my side. Give it a little finger pull. This side is kind of hard to do because nope, it's doing it. Give it a little finger pull. Oh, let's redo this one. Do this one again. Okay, this one I want to act right, but this one cute. Oops. Sometimes I'll take my pick and puff it out so I can get more volume. It kind of messes up the definition, but I mean, I like volume. I like definition too, but sometimes it's just, sometimes nobody got time for that. Like, just give me the volume, give me my fro, and let me go. Pretty much. Oops. Just puff it out. Just puff it out. And that's pretty much it. It's moisturized. And there you go. And my baby is crying. Well, she's not crying, but she's about to start crying. Hey, mama. Oh. Oh, this hair came out. And this one. What is that? What is that? Oh, mama. What's that style that some girls do with the little pieces that hang out of their hair? They like curl them up or whatever. Let me wash my hands. Hey, mama. Hey, boo. Hey, boo. Say hey. Say hey to the camera. Say hey to the camera. Say hey. Say hey, all the YouTube people. Keep looking at the lights. Come on, mama. Say hey. Say hey. Mwah. Love you, mommy. Love you, mommy. Oh, you give me a kiss. You give me a kiss. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any other suggestions for videos that I should do, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. I get distracted so easily. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Ooh, you burped, mama.